ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। In previous classes we have studied Parasmaypada as well as Atmanepada. Regarding Parasmaypada or Atmanepada, if you have any doubts you can ask me, otherwise we will move to next topic. If do you have doubts you can ask regarding anything.
Okay, sir.
Do you want to ask?
Or
Do you have any doubt?
could you like
Kanishka?
share the Rukarantaha and Makarantaha like tables, because like I have to note them down.
Okay, I will share after the class. Okay, remind me. In the group you can put the message. I will.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So up to this today we have seen 5 lakaras in Parasmaypada: Lat lakar, Lot lakar, Lang lakar, Vidiling lakar, and Lit lakar. And even those 5 lakaras we have seen in Atmanepada. So we used some roots from Parasmaypada, some roots from Atmanepada, and I hope you have memorized all the forms. Then again we have seen names also. Names, there will be some nouns which will be ending with a. For example, Rama, Ramah. So declension of Rama word we have seen: Ramah, Ramu, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramu, Rama, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah, Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah, Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam, Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu, He Ram, He Ramau, He Ramaha. Similarly, Vanam Shabda also we had seen: Vanam Vane Manani, Vanam Vane Manani. Rather part is same. Then Harihi and Guruhu also we have seen: Harihi, Hari, Harayah, Harim, Hari, Harin, Harina, Haribhyam, Harivihi, Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhyah, Harehe, Haribhyam, Haribhyah, Harehe, Haryoho, Harinam, Harau, Haryoho, Harishu, He Hare, He Hari, He Harayah. Similarly, Guru Shabda also will be declined: Guruhu, Guru, Guravah, Gurum, Guru, Gurun, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Guruvihi, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyah, Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyah, Guroho, Guruvoho, Gurunam, Gurau, Guruvoho, Gurushu. He Guru, He Guru, He Guravah Sambodhanam. Thereafter Nadi Shabda also we have seen in Srilinga: Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah, Nadim, Nadyau, Nadihi, Nadya Nadibhyam Nadibihi, Nadyai Nadibhyam Nadibhyah, Nadyaha Nadibhyam Nadibhyah, Nadyaha Nadyoho Nadinam, Nadyam Nadyau Nadishu, He Nadi, He Nadyau, He Nadyah. Rama Shabda also we had seen: Rama Rame Ramaha, Ramam Rame Ramaha, Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramabihi, Ramayai Ramabhyam Ramabhyah, Ramayaha Ramabhyam Ramabhyah, Ramayaha Ramayoho Ramanam, Ramayam Ramayoho Ramasu, He Rame, He Rame, He Ramaha. Then Kartru Shabda we have seen: Karta, Kartarau, Kartarah, Kartaram, Kartarau, Kartrun, Kartra, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhi, Kartre, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhyah, Kartuhu, Kartrubhyam, Kartrubhyah, Kartruhu, Kartroho, Kartrunam, Kartari, Kartroho, Kartrushu, He Kartah, He Kartarau, He Kartarah. Similarly, Matihi Shabda, like Hari Shabda, but it is in Srilinga, so there will be two forms in Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. Matihi Mati, Matayah, Matim Mati, Matin, Matihi, मत्या मतिभ्याम मतिभिः मत्यै मतये मतिभ्याम मतिभ्यः मत्याः मतेः मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः मत्याः मतेः मत्योः मतीनां मत्यां मतौ मति मत्योः मतिषु हे मति हे मती हे मतयः. So these words we have seen, right? So actually our class, first class, started with words, right? So there are the first part, nouns, then indeclinable avyayas like tada, yada, tatra, kutra, anyatra, etc. Those will be avyayas which will not be declined. And last part of shabdas is kriya pada. So we have seen about nouns, we have seen about some avyayas, not directly but laterally also we are going to see those avyayas. Then last part was kriya pada. So in this course we have finished noun as well as avyayas as well as kriya padas, right? Now about kriya pada there is one more factor, suffixes. If we use some suffixes with kriya pada, either there will be some kind of change or that suffix, that upasarga, suffix, right? Or prefix? Suffix. Yes, suffix
Upasarga is
only.
prefix, sir.
Acha, prefix, no? I misunderstood that term. Prefix. Pre, right? Before it will be added. So prefix means upasarga, which will be added to kriya pada, and that upasarga sometimes it will be changing the meaning of kriya pada, sometime it will be doing artha poshanam of that kriya pada, sometime parasmaipadi will be changed into atmanipadi. So let's look at that factors. Okay. So first, upasarga. There are 22 upasargas. How many of you remember upasargas? Have you memorized? Any of you?
अहं वदामि.
Bhavati janati. Evam. Okay. Vadatu ten.
प्रपर अपसम अनु अवनिस्निर्दुस् दुर्वि आ अनि अधि अपि प्रति परि उप.
Okay.
I
One
missed
you
something.
Okay, again. Repeat after. Someone can repeat after me. Those who haven't studied or memorized, they can repeat after me.
Sir, yeah.
Uh,
Sir, when did you show this?
No,
Sir.
she has memorized previously. Now I am showing first time.
Okay, sir.
Pra, para, apa, sam. You can repeat after Kanishk.
Para,
Apa.
Anu, ava, nis, nir.
anu, avanis, nir,
Dus, dur, vi, ang.
dus, dur, vi, ang,
Ni, adhi, api, ati.
ni, adhi, api, ati,
Su, ut, abhi, prati.
su, ut, abhi, prati,
Pari, upa.
pari, upa.
Now we are going to go fast, right? Pra, para, apasam.
Para, apasam,
Anu, ava, nis, nir.
anu, avanis, nir,
Dus, dur, vi, ang.
dus, dur, vi, ang,
Ni, adhi, api, ati.
ni, adhi, api, ati,
Su, ut, abhi, prati.
su, ut, abhi, prati.
So this how you have to memorize. Pra, para, apasam, anu, avanis, nir, dus, dur, vi, ang, ni, adhi, api, ati, su, ut, abhi, prati, pari, upa. Actually, this is one
Yes, sir.
sutra, but laterly they have made 4 into, one group. So para, para, apa. So otherwise, para, apasam, anu, avanis, nir, dus, dur, vi, ang, ni, adhi, api, ati, su, ut, abhi, prati, pari, upa, ete, pradayah. That's how this sutra comes in Kaumudi. Okay. And there are some upasarga tulyas. Okay, they are not directly upasarga, but they are considered as upasarga. So there are some svi, angi, ushni, tushni, alam, Swachhi, Bahis, Antar, and Puti. Okay, these are like upasarga tulya. So if you use karoti upasarga with these, you will get various meaning. Let's add karoti upasarga with svi. Karoti means to do. If you add
Sweekaroti.
svi karoti, it means to accept, to take something.
Except
In the similar way, angi karoti. Again, angi also means to accept. स्वीकार करना, अंगीकार करना, दोनों का एक अर्थ है. उष्णी करोति. Can you guess the meaning? It is like a Hindi word only.
Heating.
हाँ, to heat, to make it hot. और उष्णताम निर्माति इति अर्थः. उष्णी करोति, उष्णं करोति इति अर्थः. तुष्णी करोति अथवा तुष्णी भवति.
Tush.
हाँ,
संतुष्ट भवति, संतुष्ट,
तुष्णी,
संतुष्टम.
सिमिलर, लिटल बिट चेंज. शांतः, तुष्णी मीन्स शांतः. शांतः भवति, and shantata can happen through santosha only. That's how you can add. Actually it means shanta, to become calm, to be calm, right? Karoti, alam karoti, alang karoti. Makar will change into nga by parasavarna. Alang karoti. नाम किम, अस्य अर्थः कः? What is the meaning of
Bhushe.
alang? भूषयति, मंडयते, right? मंडयति. अलंचकार, अलंकरोति, right? स्वच्छी करोति, very simple again. To make it clean. बहिष्करोति. बहिष्करोति means
Yajit.
हाँ, त्यजति, to abandon.
To hate.
अंतर, हाँ, to not hate, to abandon, right? बहिष्कार करना, मराठी, right? अंतर करोति, पूटी करोति. You know all these kriya padas, so let's move to this one. There is a famous shloka. उपसर्गेण धात्वर्थो बलात् अन्यत्र नीयते. उदाहरणं किम् इति चेत् प्रहार, आहार, संहार, विहार, परिहारवत्. उपसर्गेण धात्वर्थः. Now this is the कर्मणि प्रयोग again in this sentence. नीयते, नयति, to carry, to lead, right? To take. Now let me upasargena dhatvartah balat anyatra niyate. This is the sentence in karmani. I am going to make it into kartari prayog. Upasargah धात्वर्थम नाम किम, धातोः अर्थम बलात् अन्यत्र नयति. कः नयति?
Upasarga.
उपसर्ग नयति. किम नयति?
Dhatvartham.
हाँ, धातोः अर्थम अन्यत्र नयति. कथम नयति? बलात् नयति. किंतु सर्वदा
बला.
अन्यत्र न नयति. तस्य विचारं वयं कुर्मः. अयम् उदाहरणम्, इदम् उदाहरणम्, एकम् उदाहरणं दीयते अत्र. ऋ हरति इति धातुः. हरति मीन्स टू स्टिल और टू ले जाना, टू कैरी, टू टेक, राइट? हरति. But if you use pra upasarga plus harati dhatu, it will become praharati. Praharati नाम प्रहार करना, प्रहार करना, right? To hit. Aharati means what? To eat. Ahar karna. Samharati, dhatu is same, but upasarga, some upasarga we are adding. Samharati means to kill, samhar karna. Viharati, to
Roaming.
Room.
roam around, to walk, right? Pariharati, nivarayati iti artha. Nivaran karna. So that this how, if you use some upasarga with main dhatu ru, you are going to change that meaning of that dhatu, like harati, viharati, aharati, samharati, praharati, upaharati, pariharati. this how you can change the meaning. There are many more. I'm just putting few examples for the. Now this is another concept. धात्वर्थम बाधते कश्चित् कश्चित् तम अनुवर्तते विशिनष्टि तमेवार्थम उपसर्ग गतिस्त्रिधा. Upasarga has tridha gati. There are three gatis of upasarga. If you add upasarga, what it does? First, dhatvartham badhate. It will change the meaning of dhatu. Dhatvartham badhate. Kashchit. Sometimes. Sometimes or kashchit. Kashchit upasarga tam anuvartate. It will go with that upasarga. It will go with that kriya pada, with that meaning. It is not going to change the meaning of that particular dhatu. That is second meaning. Kashchit upasarga tam kriya padam anuvartate. Tritiyam. Vishinashti tamevartham. Sometime it will add more values to that kriya pada, and sometime in third we can add it will change parasmay pada into atmane pada. That's how there will be some vishesha. Now let me put some examples. Same thought presented here. Upasargat kadachit kriyayaha arthaposhanam bhavati. Now I have changed the order little bit with some to make it easy. So now upasargat kadachit, sometimes kriyayaha arthaposhanam bhavati. Right? For example, shobhate is a kriya pada. We have seen shobhate means what? Shobhate.
Decoration.
Oh,
Decorate.
Okay.
Alankar.
That's how alankaroti,
शोभून
shushobhate.
दिसणे. शोभून
Shobhun disne. Correct.
हा,
That
शोभून दिसणे.
actually that is the meaning of this kriya pada. Shobhun disne we can say. Shushobhate is it also have same meaning, but by using su, some more thing is added to shobhate. Shobhate, shobhun disne. Shushobhit,
very
ha,
like very.
well, decorated. That way also we can take. So that su adds more value to that kriya, particular kriya. Now next, kadachit kriyayaha arthasya parivartanam bhavati. Sometime if you use upasarga with kriya pada, it will change the meaning of the kriya. So it is famous, gacchati is the kriya pada. It means to go, right? Okay. And if you add a upasarga, it will be agacchati, means to come back.
Sir, I think that means wait.
Huh? Gacchati, agacchati. Okay.
Sir, I think agachati means wait.
No. Agacchati means to come back. Okay. Nayati.
Oh,
Nayati means to carry, to take. And anayati means to bring. Nayati matlab le jana, anayati matlab leke ana. Right? So this was it. And there are some particular kriya pada, and if you add some particular upasarga with those kriya pada, that parasmay pada will change into atmane pada, and atmane pada changes into parasmay pada. This rule is particular about some kriya pada, not with all. Okay, so what are they? I have kept only some. Laterly, if we study further, I will introduce those kriya pada also. Jayati. Actually, Jayati is the parasmay padi kriya pada. But if you add vi upasarga, then it will change into atmani pada. Main root is in parasmay pada, but if you add vi upasarga with jayati, it will become atmanepadi vijayate. Similarly, rama, ramate, to enjoy. If you add vi upasarga with rama, actually ramate is atmanepadi, but it will change into parasmay. Viramati. Aham iti uktva viramami. I stop here. Right? Ramate to enjoy, viramati to stop. right? Okay. कृ धातु करोति means to do, अपकरोति अपकारं करोति इत्यस्मिन् अर्थे अपकार करना. Another क्रियापद sums, right? Sam उपसर्ग पूर्वक करोति धातु, it will become संस्करोति, संस्कार करना. Can you make one sentence by using this? Simple sentences we have to make. संस्कार करना, माता
माता बालकं संस्कारति
संस्करोति.
संस्कारयति
संस्करोति
संस्करोति.
संस्करोति we will use, right? अथवा यत्र मॉडिफिकेशन कर्तव्यं तत्र संस्करोति. यथा उदाहरणम् अस्ति, आसन्दः अस्ति, आसन्दस्य पादः भिन्नः जातः अथवा तत्र विकारः अभूत् चेत् तत्र संस्कारः आवश्यकः चेत् तत्र इदं वाक्यं कर्तुं शक्यते, सः आसन्दं संस्करोति, टु मॉडिफाई इट, राइट? ओके. अनुकरोति मीन्स व्हाट? अनुकरोति
अनुकरोति अनुकरण
अनुकरण करना.
To follow.
to follow
To follow.
follow
Correct. Sentence in Sanskrit.
पुत्री माताम् अनुकरोति.
पुत्री माताम, oh sorry,
छात्रा गुरुम् अनुकरोति.
छात्रः गुरुम् अनुकरोति.
Lakshmana and Sita Ramam anukaroti.
हाँ. And that previous sentence, first sentence, पुत्री मातरम
मातरम्
अनुकरोति. मातरम it should be. अधिकरोति, अधिकार करना, अधिकारं करोति इत्यस्मिन् अर्थे अधिकरोति. राजा राज्ये अधिकरोति. प्रतिकरोति, प्रतिकारं करोति इत्यर्थः. कः कस्य प्रतिकारं करोति? स्मर्यन्ते वा? वाक्यानि क्रियन्ते वा? प्रतिकार करना. Simple sentences we have to make. No?
Meaning pratikaroti means pratikaroti means
प्रतिकार करना.
to
To go
be
oppose.
oppose. Okay. So-
okay, it can be taken nirakaroti also, in that way also it can be used. Okay. सीता
अपोजिशन पार्टी
हाँ प्रतिकार करना, like to go oppose. Yes. Okay. तस्य
Yeah, Hanumanji Ravana pratikaro.
हाँ रावणं प्रतिकरोति. स्वीकरोति, very simple.
To accept.
हाँ उष्णीकरोति, again very simple.
Hot.
Make it. जलम् उष्णीकरोति. तुष्णीकरोति, यः कोऽपि कोपितः स्यात् तं तुष्णीकरोति, शान्तं करोति इति अर्थः. बहिष्करोति, बहिष्कार करना, right? To protest. अलंकरोति,
And bhushana, like ornament, alankar.
हाँ वाक्यम् अपेक्षितम् अस्ति.
भरतनाट्यम नृत्ये छात्राः बहूनि अलङ्काराणि अलङ्करोति.
अच्छा, छात्राः
अलङ्करोन्ति बहुवचन
छात्राः अलङ्कुर्वन्ति कुर्वन्ति. अस्तु, तत्र
कुर्वन्ति.
तत्र किञ्चित् परिवर्तनम् आवश्यकं. छात्राः अलङ्कारैः अलङ्कुर्वन्ति इति वक्तव्यम्. अलङ्कारं तेन अलङ्कुर्वन्ति, अलङ्काराः तान् छात्रान् अलङ्कुर्वन्ति इति अर्थः. अस्तु, स्वच्छीकरोति.
महोदय एतत् शक्यं भविष्यति वा? संस्कृत सुभाषितानि संस्कृत भाषायाम् अलङ्करोति
भाषाम् अलङ्कुर्वन्ति।
भाषाम् अलङ्करोति
सुभाषितानि अलङ्कुर्वन्ति इति वक्तव्यम्।
अलङ्कुर्वन्ति अस्तु धन्यवादः
अंगीकरोति स्वीकार करना, पूटीकरोति फोल्ड करना।
ओके।
अहं वस्त्राणि पूटीकरोमि इति अर्थः। अस्तु, एतादृशाः तत्र सन्ति, इतोपि एकमेकं पश्यामः। भू भवति टु बिकम, टु बी, अनुपसर्ग अनुभवति टु एक्सपीरियंस।
Experience. Yes.
एकं वाक्यम् एकमेकं वाक्यं प्रत्येकस्य पश्यामः। अनुभवति, अहम् आनन्दम् अनुभवामि,
अनुभवामि
अहं महद् आनन्दम् अनुभवामि, महान् आनन्दः, महान्तम् आनन्दम् अनुभवामि इति वक्तव्यम्। प्रभवति, प्रभवति उत्पन्न होना या समर्थ होना। सः प्रभवति, सतत कार्यं कर्तुं प्रभवति, सः समर्थः अस्ति इति अर्थः। ही इज अ केपेबल। प्रभवति मीन्स sometime it will be taken as capable, sometime उत्पन्न होना, to born। राजा दशरथः अथवा राजा रामः सूर्यवंशे प्राभवत्, past tense I am using, अथवा प्रभवति इति वक्तुं शक्यते, उत्पन्न होना। अथवा रामः रावणं हन्तुं प्रभवति, सेम धातु with difference meaning, right? There is a difference in meaning. पराभवति, सः रावणं पराभवति, नाम पराभूतं करोति, right? परिभवति, तिरस्कृत करना।
To loot, to rob.
No, तिरस्कृत नाम तिरस्कार करना, टू हेट, दैट।
Okay. Okay.
अभिभवति, अभिभवति नाम टू सप्रेस, यू नो। तत्र भगवद्गीतायां गुणानां यत्र चिन्तनं वर्तते तत्र अभिभवति इति उपसर्ग। कदाचित् सत्वगुणः रजोगुणम् अभिभवति, कदाचित् रजोगुणः सत्वम् अथवा तमोगुणम् अभिभवति। That way we can. संभवति अथवा उद्भवति, both have same meaning.
Yeah.
प्रभवति, संभवति, उद्भवति।
Aushadam, Prithvi, Oshadama, the Oshadam is a plant. Oshadam, Prithvi, Udbhavati.
हाँ, पृथ्व्याः पंचमी विभक्ति we will use, अथवा सप्तमी पृथ्व्याम औषधम उद्भवति संभवति, अथवा पृथ्व्याः औषधम संभवति। पृथ्वी, फिफ्थ केस आई एम यूजिंग पृथ्व्याः, राइट? पृथ्वी से, फ्रॉम अर्थ, राइट? आविर्भवति, आविर्भवति
To present.
टू प्रकट, प्रकटम भवति, अथवा
To appear.
टू अपीयर, राइट? करेक्ट। एंड तिरो भवति, ऑपोजिट टू दैट,
Chibjhana.
right? Any sentence you can make. भगवान श्री कृष्णः कस्मिन् युगे आविर्भवति?
द्वापार युगे कृष्ण भगवान आविर्भवति।
आविर्भवति, शब्दाना तिरो भवति। Okay, now गम धातु, गम धातु, it means to go. If you add a upasarga, agacchati means
To come back, to return.
Correct, to return. Abhyagacchati, it means again to come back. Same meaning. Pratyagacchati also have same meaning. Okay. Anugacchati.
To follow. Piche jana. Follow.
To follow. Correct. Anukaroti, anugacchati. Right? Avagacchati.
Again.
To understand.
Yeah.
Correct. We have seen various kriya pada for understanding. Like bodhati अथवा बुध्यते, right? Right. Adhigacchati means what? Aham tatra dhanam adhigacchami. Aham tatra jnanam adhigacchami. To gain knowledge. Adhigacchami. Adhigacchati. Abhyupagacchati. Abhyupagacchati have two meanings. To go near or to accept it. Okay. Nirgacchati. Nirgacchati.
To take away or reject,
No, no, to go away.
to go away.
वहां से
Okay.
निकल
निकलना.
जाना. राइट. रामः पंचवट्याः निर्गच्छति. From Panchavati he goes to Lanka, right? Panchavट्याः लंकां निर्गच्छति. लंकां प्रति निर्गच्छति. That way. Sangacchate. It should be sangacchate. Sangacchati means to meet, to come together, right? Udgacchati.
क्षीरम् उद्गच्छति
Udgacchati, right?
उष्णीकृत्य.
Next. Apagacchati. Apagacchati means to get destroyed.
नष्ट होना.
Nashta hona. Upagacchati.
To come near.
To come near. Paragacchati. Same meaning like coming back. Pratyudgacchati. This is a nice kriyapad. Pratyudgacchami. Aham tasya swagatartham pratyudgacchami. Aham tatra pratyudgacchami.
Welcoming.
For welcoming. Going for welcome. Samadhigacchati. Sam upasarga purvak. Adhi upasarga purvak. Gama dhatu. Samadhigacchati. To obtain, to gain. So see how many dhatus are there. So now if you use one kriya pada, this how this language become very, rich language. If you use only gama dhatu, there will be how many lakaras are there? 10 lakaras. In each lakara there are 9 forms. Right? And if you use one upasarga with that, again there will be 90 forms. Again there will be 90 forms. And if you add 2 more upasarga like samadhi gacchati, again there will be 90 forms. So if you use only gama dhatu, and if you use this kind of dhatus, how many forms you are going to get? Not only this, with each dhatu you will be adding various pratyas. Like if you use nijanta prayoga, gama dhatu, it will become gamayati. Again with gamayati dhatu you will be adding upasarga. So इतना एक धातु के साथ 1000 रूप हम यहाँ तैयार कर सकते हैं अभी, है कि नहीं? देखो.
That is why it's becoming very difficult to study Sanskrit.
Okay. Another dhatu we'll see. Chara dhatu. Chara, to walk, to wander, right? Acharati. Acharati, acharan karana, right? He does, like simple meaning, he does something. Nice behavior, right? Anucharati, again, Lakshmanaha Ramam Anucharati. Ramaha Aranyam Sancharati. Athva Pishachaha Sharire Sancharati. Right? Vicharati, similar meaning, like Sancharati, Vicharati. Anucharati, Vicharati. Vicharati, Charati has same meaning. Vicharan karana.
Yeah.
Ucharati.
Utna.
Utna. Athva उल्लंघन करना. उच्चरति. उपचरति. वैद्यः रुग्णं उपचरति. If you add pra upasarga plus charati dhatu, it will become pracharati. Right? So various meanings. Sada dhatu, it means sadasidati, to sit down, to upavishati we have seen. Right? बैठना. प्रसीदति. प्रसीदति, प्रसन्न होना, सफल होना. विषेदति, विषाद योग. राइट? अर्जुन विषाद योग, दुखित होना. आसीदति, सह तत्र आसीदति, he goes there. Yeah,
It
is
is
that sthanam.
like Siddhanti, Mama Gatrani, Siddhanti.
Actually, there are two dhatus, Siddhanti, and if you see Upanishad Shabda, there is a Shaldru dhatu which has some different meaning, and this Siddha has some different. There are some dhatus like Sada which will be having the meaning of to sit down. So now that another word is made by using this upasarga. Upanishad. So those this Upanishad Shabda is translated as sitting, going near and sitting there, right? गुरु के पास जाकर के बैठना, उस अर्थ में ये धातु यहाँ आया है. और देर इज अनदर धातु सद विच हैज द मीनिंग विशरण, गति एंड अवसाधन. विशरण means to destroy, gati means to lead, vicharan gati, avasadana to loosen that bondage, etc. So there are two dhatus, siddha dhatu, sada dhatu, it has same to mean to sit down, and another dhatu which means to destroy, to lead, to loosen. Okay, that's how Upanishad word had made by both dhatus. Pratyasidati अथवा उपसीदति, पास जाना. निषेधति again sit down. अवसीदति उत्सीदति, उत्सिदे युरिमे लोका, right? There you will find the shloka that you will get. Another vartate, vartate means to be, right? Okay, pravartate, pravartate
To walk, lagna, chalna, to walk.
Whatever is going on, that is called pravartate. Aduna
Present.
अस्माकं वर्गः प्रचलति, प्रवर्तते, आरम्भः भवति इत्यस्मिन् अर्थे अपि उपयोक्तुं शक्यते. अनुवर्तते, अनुवर्तते अगेन अनुचरति, अनुकरोति, तथैव अनुवर्तते, राइट? निवर्तते, निवर्तते we have seen somewhere, right? यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम, मम धाम तदस्ति यत्र गत्वा भक्ताः पुनः न निवर्तन्ते, ते पुनः न आयन्ति, कुत्र? संसार सागरे, राइट? निवर्तन्ते वापस आना, न निवर्तन्ते वापस न आना. अभिवर्तते, स मम अभिवर्तते, he is near to me. पास आना, he comes near to me, right? अतिवर्तते उल्लंघन करना, परिवर्तते, right? Okay, again few more. Iksha dhatu, we have seen Atmanepada, little bit about Atmanepada, then we'll change the topic, we will see some Subhashita if you feel little bit tired. Ikshate, to see, and if you add some upasarga like apa, it will be apekshate, apeksha karna. If you add ava upasarga plus iksha dhatu, it means avekshate. Avekshate means what? Like a, to examine, seeing clearly, like to see, to think. Let me avekshe, aham avekshe, I am thinking something about it. Upekshate, upekshate means what? Upeksha karna, to ignore. Saha maya upekshate, that way it can be taken. Nirikshate, nirikshan karna. Parikshate, parikshan karna, there should be parikshan. Okay, and pratikshate, this is familiar again. Pratikshate is very known. Pratiksha karna, right? Samikshate, samiksha karna. Okay, mantra, this is, you can see. Let me move to next. These are important. Asmat Sarvanam and Yushmad Sarvanam. It should be memorized. Aham, avam, vayam. Dvitiya, chaturthi, shashti, there will be two forms. Right? Aham, avam, vayam, mam, ma, avam, nau, asman, nah, maya, avabhyam, asmabhihi, mahyam, me, avabhyam, nau, asmabhyam, nah, mat, avabhyam, asmat, mama, me, avayoho, nau, asmakam, nah, mayi, avayoho, asmasu. And aham, avam, vayam sambodhan is not used, but it will be declined in same, right? We never see sambodhan, but there is a sambodhan in Siddhanta Kaumudi, right? Similarly, Yushmat you have to memorize. Tvam yuvam yuyam, tvam tva yuvam vam yushman vah, tvaya yuvabhyam yushmabhihi, tubhyam te yuvabhyam vam yushmabhyam vah, tvat yuvabhyam yushmat, tavate yuvayoho vam yushmakam vah, tvai yuvayoho yushmasu. Right? So these are important sarvanama. Memorize it. It will be useful for Gita or any another grantha. Right? You will find frequently these forms like may. Do you remember any shloka? Naha.
भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः
मे प्रियाः भक्ताः ते अतीव प्रियाः के ते भक्ताः सह तौ ते. Right? That those bhaktas whom they are priya. Me priyaha. Me means what? Now which me should be taken here? Whether this one or this one. So if you see the context, priyaha, me priyaha, te bhaktaha mama priyaha, te bhaktaha mahyam priyaha. Both can be taken. Because if something likes you, chaturthi vibhakti you can use. Right? Okay. Let me move to, okay. Here, now, I am going to put some shlokas. How many of you know the avadhanam? Have you heard this word avadhanam? The concept of avadhanam? Any of you?
It means
Yes, sir.
attention, like
Attention.
avadhan. Huh?
Kind
Laksha,
of.
laksha.
So, actually this used to be Krida in Puratana Kala. Even now, it somewhere it is conducted. There was a professor. There is a professor in our university. There used to be this professor. Dr. Ramakrishna Pedatta. Okay, he is Ashtavadhani. Ashtavadhani means there will be 8 pritchakas. Pritchaka means those who
Speakers.
ask some questions. Now, let me put one by one. I will introduce that Avadhana Kala. Then I am going to put some Samasya Purti, etc. in this class and you will enjoy it. Okay. So, there will be 8 people surrounded to that Avadhani person. First person will give some Nishiddhakshari. One person will be giving some Aksharas. Like he will be asking some question. Let me give the example. He will ask him to compose a shloka on Vinayaka. And he will say you cannot use V shabda. So now Avadhani has to think, Vinayak, I am not going to use V, so what should I use? So he says, he will give first word as Ga. Now Vinayaka, now that person, Nishiddhakshari, one who does Nisheda of that Akshara, he will say you cannot use V, so Avadhani has used Ga. So next, that Nishedakshara person will think, oh, if he is using Ga, means either there will be Na, Ganesha, so he will do Nisheda of Na. Then Avadhani has to bring some another word. So Avadhani will bring Ja. So it will make Gajanana. Again, Na will be, Gaja. He made Gaja. Then third word there will be Gajanana. That word comes in our mind, right? Gajanana. Then that person will do Nisheda of Na. That Avadhani has to put some another word. So what word he should put? He will
Gajapati.
bring Gajapati. So Pa will be brought. Then Ti will be Nisheda. That's how he has to compose that shloka. That is first task. It will go, there will be 4 rounds. Then while doing this, there will be some another person who is known as Samasya Purti. That person will give any quarter which will have some meaning or there will be no meaning at all. For example, let me give Tatam tatam tam tatatam tatam taha. It has no meaning. But that Avadhani has to do Padapurti of that shloka. This is only one quarter. Tatam tatam tam tatatam tatam taha. This is 4 quarter. He has to compose a meaningful shloka for that. So I am going to put those kind of shloka in coming slides. or sometime there will be some viruddha artha. Mrigat simha palayate. Actually, simha doesn't runs away from any prani. But now here mrigat, from that harina, simha, the lion runs away. It doesn't happen. But he has given a shanka, a samasya. He has to compose a meaningful shloka that we are going to say how he will compose. Third person. Now there will be some dattapari. Now there will be four pada, like there is a one Ashtavadhani whose name is Ganesha, Dr. Ganesha, R. Ganesha. And in one of our Ashtavadhanam in Kavikul Guru Kalidas only, he had given four padas: pyar kiya, dar kya, pyar kiya to darna kya, right? So he has to use those words in each quarter, like one first quarter will be pyar, then next pada will be kiya, then third pada dar, then kya. So that's how he has to compose a shloka on those four padas, right? That is third one. Then there will be fourth person who will be giving some chandasa and one topic. So like in our university, I was in Chinmaya Vishwa Vidyapita. This Avadhani, Dr. Ramakrishna Pejataya, he had given a topic. You are Avadhani. Sometimes if you go for karyakrama like Avadhanam, and if you become late, and suppose your wife is not opening the door of your house, then how you will praise her? So he has to compose some shloka, he has to praise her wife with some shloka in particular meter. So some chandas will be given, and he has to compose a meaningful and to praise her. So that task, that kind of any task will be given simultaneously. He has to do all the things. Okay. Now there will be fifth one, Sankhya Bandha. There will be 9 columns. 9 columns or more than that. He will be given some Sankhya, like in Kavikul Guru, there was a Ganesha I had referred. Here he is, here you can see here his face. He is R. Ganesha, Dr. R. Ganesha. He is a Shatavadhani, not Ashtavadhani. I am just putting Ashta people. There will be Shata people. He does a Shatavadhanam. Okay. He is still means he does he is in Karnataka or Bangalore somewhere he lives. Okay, so Sankhya Bandham will be given. He was given 370. That rule had come, right, Kashmir ka. So that Sankhya Bandha. Then there will be a Prastuta Prasanki. While doing this kind of, while composing, he will be trying to concentrate. Then there will be one person who will be asking anything to create or to destroy his avadhanam or take his attention, right? He will be asking, like he will ask, oh avadhani, what did you eat? So like that, anything. Okay, then there will be kavya vachana. Some shloka will be sing by someone. Then that avadhani has to recollect from which kavya it belongs and what is the prasanga, right? So that he has to bring out. Lastly, there will be either antyakshari, uddishta. There are many things. So now, one among these, I am going to put samasya purti for today's class. If we get a chance, we will see some other. Otherwise, I am going to share that link, what happened in Chinmaya Vishwa Vidyapita. You can enjoy that one, right? Now, first samasya purti is Mrigat Simhaha Palayate. What is the meaning of this? Simhaha, the
Lion runs away in front of all the animals.
All the animals here can be taken as Mriga. Right? Mriga in the sense deer.
Deer.
Okay. Now, one Avadhani, he has written, Hina hatya dadhati eva laghavam mahatam api. Mahatam api, if a great person does something, hina hatya, hina jananam hatyam yadi yah karoti, sa hina hatya mahatam api laghavam dadhati. Right? Iti matva. Now considering this in mind, dvipadveshihi, he is a dveshi of what? Dvipa. Dvipaha means what?
Islander.
No, no, no. Here dvipaha means gaja. So there are two words. Dvipaha, if you use dvi dirgha wala, then that is island. If it is rasvadi, dvabhyam pibati, iti dvipaha. One who drinks by either nose, trunk,
Yeah,
as well
trunk.
as mouth. So that is called dvipa, hatti. जो हत्ती का द्वेष करता है मीन्स व्हाट सिंह ही थिंक्स व्हाट ही थिंक्स महताम अपि लाघवम दधाति हीन हत्या that's why considering that in mind I am the destroyer of elephant and why should I kill that deer, so thinking that way he runs away from that mriga. That is one samasya purti. There is another now this is the Mahabharata. That prasanga is taken from Mahabharata. Same samasya purti. तिष्ठ अर्जुन संग्रामे त्वाम हनिष्यामि शरैहि अहम त्वाम शरैहि हनिष्यामि संग्रामे. That's why you stop there. Oh Arjuna, stop. Today I am going to kill you. Who is speaking? Karna is speaking. And Arjuna is telling, Are, don't worry. Tishtami Karna. Kim mudaha mrugat simha palayate kim. Does now this is here, it is taken some another way. क्या सिंह क्या मृग से भाग थोड़ी ना जाता है, नहीं भागूंगा मैं आपसे. इति उक्त्वा, that is the समस्या पूर्ति. There is another समस्या पूर्ति I am putting. Tatam tatam tam tatatam tatam tam. Right? This is very famous. Many of you might be knowing. So now it is actually, if you see the words, there is no meaning. Tatam tatam tam tatam. It does sounds. Okay. So now that samasya purti is so another 3 quarters he has to compose. So now let's see the shloka. Ramabhisheke madavivfalayaha hastachyuto hema ghatastarunyah sopanamasadya karoti shabdam thatam thatam tham thatatam thatam tha. Okay. Now, what is the prasanga? He has taken a prasanga, that particular, prasanga from Ramayana. When Rama came back in Ayodhya, then again he becomes a Raja. While becoming Raja, Ramabhisheke Madavivhalayaha. Mada here, it is not Garva, it is Ullas, Ananda. They are engaged, or they are, delightful. Who? Mahila, Taruni here it is taken. Tarunyaha hastat chutaha hema ghataha suvarna ghataha. That suvarna ghata was fallen down from that Taruni, and that ghatam was making some noise. Sopanam asadya, it was coming down from sopana, means stairs or steps. Then while coming down, it was making a noise.
Even saying tam tatam, we are finding it difficult. Tam 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 tatam tam tam tatam tam.
Yes. Right. So there are many more. If we get a chance, definitely we will be seeing those. Okay. Again, there are few more shlokas in Kumara Sambhava, Abhijnana Shakuntalam, and Meghadutam, and various others. We'll see in next class, right? Now there are 4 more minutes. If you have any doubt, you can ask regarding Parasmaipada, Atmanipadam, or any words. And again, there are many more words which we haven't seen, like Jagat, Jagat Jagati, Jaganti, Jagat Jagati, Jaganti. That will be your task, right? In coming classes, I will show those slides. You can note down those words and you have to memorize. Then it will be useful for coming classes. Any doubt, any question?
Like sometimes, like we say, when the visarga comes and then it is followed by ka, then we put ka in front, right? And
We pronounce as we don't put visarga kha in front of visarga, or in the place of visarga. We pronounce that as akh.
ak. How do you write it? Ak means a plus ka halanta. Like
We don't have to write. While pronouncing, actually we have to pronounce. No need to write. And if you want to write, you have to put half like this. it will be look like. You
Ah.
have to make that visarga into half.
Okay.
2 dots, there will be 2 dots. You have to make half.
Okay, like Chandra, down,
Chandra.
up Chandra and down
Correct.
Chandra. Okay.
That is called jivva muliyah
Okay.
visarga.
Okay, okay. Yeah, Jiva.
Kakah krishnah.
Yeah,
Kakah.
yeah.
So another example. If you find visarga, or if you find pa fa
Ah.
before visarga or after visarga, then that will be upadmaniya visarga. That will be pronounced as af.
Up. Okay,
Om purnamadaf purnamidam, that way.
okay.
Anything else?
And in front of ksha, we should not pronounce, isn't it?
There are some exceptions. You can.
Ah. Like in the second chapter, it came Sukhinaha Kshatriya Patha Labhante
Labhante yuddhamidrusham, right?
Uddhamidrisha. So here you should keep that visarga
As it is.
as, okay.
Gita Parivar or what?
Yeah, Gita chanting only.
Achha, nice.
Yes, sir. Gita Parivar.
Good. Okay, then shall we stop here? Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnam Udachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. In 12 up to this was 12th session, right? This was 12th session. Actually, we have completed our particular portion. We have covered all dhatus, almost many words. So in coming classes, we will practice those kriya padas and words and some subhashita. Okay. Okay. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.